Greetings webmasters and internet marketers. Welcome to another episode from How to Webmaster. Today I want to introduce you to this website developer on eBay right here. This is his store and he is offering done for you drop shipping sites, 1,000 product drop shipping stores to affiliate stores and business websites, agency websites, and a lot of his deals are just $10 to $15. For example, here this 3D printer drop shipping store, it's just $10. The entire website design, all the plugins, premium plugins for the WordPress, $100 worth. You get the premium themes, all the payment gateways are set up for you, and the hosting is only for 1 month free, but they do not force you to use their hosting, and you can choose anybody you want and they can assist you with moving your site, or your new hosting provider can move your sites for free. Most of them will do it for free. So let's check out some of the designs. So this is a car website. You can see it's professionally done. This is an example of a one product drop shipping site. This is a solar light. Here's an example of a hair extension site. So each design is different and very professional. One more example, the 3D printer. You see the logo, the menu, the big image. Very nice, clean designs. Now these are WordPress, WooCommerce kind of sites, easy to customize, and like I said, this is only $10 and you get the whole entire setup, no additional cost. So check it out. I'll leave the links down below if you want some done for you cheap, high quality dropshipping websites and affiliate sites. I'll leave the link down below for you guys to check out this website developer from eBay. And he's got a lot of niches to choose from organic tea and coffee, kitchen stuff, baby stuff. So he's got something for everybody. Again, the link is down below. Thanks so much for viewing. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, How to Webmaster, for more internet marketing tips, tricks, and tutorials and reviews. Thanks again, and until next time, happy marketing.